Hello student. So today we have to solve some questions on the topic playing with numbers. In previous video we have studied the rules of numbers, and here we have to solve some question. Question number first, write all factors of each of the following numbers. And second question is write down first 5 multiples of each of the following numbers. Third question is which of the following pairs of numbers are co-primes. So let's start from question number first. 5, write all factors of each of the following. So first of all, we have to factorize the given number. First is 36. We know. First of all, we have to factorize 36. We know that 36. You have to factorize 36. 36 is equal to 1 into 36. Because we can write 36 as 1 into 36. Second, 36 is equal to 2 into 18. 2 into 18. Third, 36 is equal to 4 into 9. 4 9 is 36. 36 is equal to 3 into 12. So 36, 136, 36, 2, 18, 36, 4, 9 and 36. Sorry. In this way, we factorize the 36. Because 36, you can write 1 into 36, 36, 2 into 18, 36, 4 into 9, 36, 3 into 12. These are factors. 1, 33, 1, 36, 2, 18, 4, 9, 3 and 12. The numbers 36 is divisible by 1, 36, 2, 18, 4, 9, 3, 12. The number which is divisible by other numbers, they are known as the factor. So here factor of, hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, 36 are factors of 36. The numbers which divides 36 completely are known as the factor of 36. So here we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the numbers which divide 36 completely. So these are the factors of 36. B, question B is 24. Solution. B. 24, we know that 24 is equal to 1 into 24. 24 is equal to 2 into 12. 24 is equal to 3 into 4. 3 into 8. 24 is equal to 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 24, 4 into 6. 24 is equal to 1 into 24, 24 is equal to 2 into 12. 24 is equal to 3 into 8 jar. 24 is equal to 4, 6 jar. So these are the factors. So hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are factors of 24. So here 1, because 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1. When we divide 24 by 1, answer will be 24. When we divide 24 by 2, answer will be 12. When we divide 24 by 3, answer will be 8. When we divide 24 by 8, answer will be 3. When we divide 24 by 6, answer will be 4. When we divide 24 by 8, answer will be 3. When we divide 24 by 12, answer will be 2. And when we divide 24 by 24, answer will be. All these numbers divides 24 completely. So the numbers which divides other number, any number which is divided by all many numbers, they are known as the factor of that number. So here we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 divides 24 completely. So these are the factors of 24. Factors of any number divides that number completely. Now we see the option 3 of question first. C 56. We have to go 56. 50, we know that that 56 is equal to 1 into 56. 56 is equal to 2 24. 56 is equal to 4, 2 8 is 16. It is not divided by 3, 4. So 4 into 14. It is not divisible by 5, not 6, 7. 57, 7 into 8. 56 is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So So these are the factorization of the numbers. So we can say that 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 28 and 56. Here 56, 1, 56, 2, 28, 4, 14 and 7 and 8. So hence 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56 are factors of 56. All these numbers divides 56 complete. So these are called the factors of 56. So here in first question we learn how to find the factor of the given number. Next question number second is write down the 5 multiples of each of the following. When you multiply any number by natural numbers, then we get the multiples of that number. Question number second A. 5. Solution. Here we have to multiply 5 by natural number. 1, 5 into 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5. Because we have to get the 5 multiples of the given number. So we know that that 5 into 1 is equal to 5. When we multiply 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Second, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Here we see that 5 is multiplied by the natural number. 1 is natural number, 2 is also natural number, 3 is also natural number, 4, 5. So we multiply the given number by natural numbers. So we get the multiples. 5 to the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 50, 5 to the 20, 5 5 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 are multiples, 5 multiples of 5. Hence 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are 5 multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are 5 multiples of 5. So we see the option D. D is 7. We know solution. Like the first option. We know that 5, 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. So hence 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 are 5 multiples of 7. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 are 5 multiples of 7. Option C. Option C is 50. We know that 15 into 1 is equal to 15. 15 into 2 is equal to 30. 15 into 3 is equal to 45. 15 into 4 is equal to 60. 15 into 5 is equal to 75. So hence 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 are 5 multiples of 50. So to get the multiples of any number, we have to multiply by natural numbers. When we multiply by natural numbers with given numbers, we get the multiples of that numbers. So we start from first natural number, that is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we multiply 15 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, we get the 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 or 5 multiples of 15. And all of you can get many kinds of 10, 15, 20, 25. In this way, you can get many kinds of multiples of 15 because the multiples of any number is infinite. So this is the question number 2. Now we solve the question number 3. Question number 3. A is 12, 50. Here, which are the following pairs of numbers are co-primes? Co-primes means there will be no common factor of both given numbers other than 1. दोनों नंबर जो दिए गए हैं उनका फैक्टराइज करने पर दोनों कॉमन नहीं होने चाहिए, कोई भी फैक्टर एक को छोड़कर, except 1 there should be no common factor of given pairs of numbers except 1. So there should be no common factor. Find the factor. Here we have to find the factor of 12 and 50. So we start from 12. Find the factor of 12. Factor of 12. Factor of 12 is we know that 12 is equal to 1 into 12. 12 is equal to 2 into 6. 12 is equal to 3 into 4. These are the factor of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factor of 12 is, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factor of 15 is equal to 1 into 50. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. So this is the factor of 50. No any other number is factor. No any other number is factor of 50. So factor of 50 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Here the factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Here the factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. In both we say that 1, 3 and 3. In both 3 is 1 and 3. 1 is common in every factor, but here we see that 3 is in both. The factor 3 is 3 is the factor of 12 as well as the factor of 15 also. So 3 is the, so which are the following cases are you? Co-prime. So there is a common factor. 3 is common factor. So here 3 is common factor of 12 and 15. Hence 12, 15 is not pair of co-primes. यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि दोनों में जो कॉमन फैक्टर है वो 3 है। 1 तो सब में फैक्टर होता है, इसलिए 1 को छोड़ते हैं, 1 को नहीं देखते, क्योंकि 1 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ ऑल द नंबर्स। बट हियर वी सी दैट 3 is the factor of 12 and as well as 15 also. So there is a common factor. 3 is common factor of 12 and 15. Hence 12, 15 is not pair of co-prime. इसलिए co-prime नहीं है। Co-prime वही होता है जिसका कोई फैक्टर कॉमन नहीं होता। So let's see the question number third option. Third B 8, 12. Solution. You know that 8 is equal to 8 into 1. 8 is equal to 2 into 4. 2 and 4. 1, 2, 4 and 8. 8 are factor of 8. Here 12, 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 12 are factor of 12. Here we see that 4 is and here 4. Both are common. Here 4 is common for 2 and 4. Here 2 and 4 are common factors of 8 and 12. Hence 8, 12 is not pair of co-primes. So these are not co-primes because the factor of 8 and 12 7. 8 and 12 have no. See 8 and 21. Here 8 and 12 is not pair of co-prime because 2 and 4 are the common factor. So we solve the question number option C. Option C is 8 and 20. 8, 21. Option C 8, 21. Solution. Here 8 can be written 8. We know that 8 is equal to 1 into 8. 8 is equal to 2 into 4. 8, follow this. This is the factor. 1, 2, 4, 8 are factors of 8. Now 21 is equal to 1 into 21. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. 1, 3, 7 and 7, 21 are factors of 21. But here we see that 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 3, 7, 21. There will be no common factor. There is no common factor between the factor of 8 and 21 other than 1. 1 को छोड़कर 8 और 21 का कोई फैक्टर कॉमन नहीं है. So here there is no common factor. There is no common factor of 8 and 21. Hence 8, 12 is pair of co-prime. Co-prime. So this is co-primes. So in second question all of us studied that if the factor of any two numbers have no common factor, the factor of two numbers have no common factor, then both numbers are called co-primes. So we see the question number 4. Question number 4 is 20 weight a factor perfect number? We know that sum of all the factors are, if the sum of all the factors of a given number is 2 times of the given number, then the number is called perfect number. यदि कोई नंबर है उस नंबर के सारे फैक्टर को ऐड कर दिया जाए, यदि सारे फैक्टर का एडिशन उस नंबर के डबल टाइम्स 2 गुना हो, तो उस कंडीशन में नंबर जो है परफेक्ट कही जाती है. For question 4 solution. We know that let's factorize 28. 28 is equal to 1 into 28. 28 is equal to 2 into 14. 28 is equal to 4 into 7. So here factors of 28 is factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. These are the factors of 28. Let's we sum of all factors. Sum of all factors of 28 is equal to, so let's we add all the factors. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. So let's we add 2 and 3, 3 4 7, 7 7 14, 14 14 28, 28 to the 56. So sum of all the factors of 28 is 56, and 56 is 2 times of the given number. 56 is 2 times of given number 28. Hence 28 is a perfect number. So we can say that is a perfect number. So we can say that 28 is a perfect number because sum of all the factors of 28 is 2 times of 28. So it is a perfect number. So student, today we have studied, we learned how to solve the question. Here we discuss 3 or 4 types of question, and all of you can solve these types of question from your exercise 2. I think all of you have understood this clearly, and all of you will be able to solve these questions from your exercise book. So it is sufficient for Thanks to all of you.